Cancer Prevention Study 3 is a continuation of a series of cancer prevention studies that actually started back in the 50s by the American Cancer Society. The idea is to be able to enroll as many different people with as many different behaviors and backgrounds, male, female, different racial groups, different ethnic groups, and try and connect their behaviors, their patterns of living with different risks or lack of risks to particular kinds of cancers. It takes money to do this project every year, to do the analysis, to get the new people. And it's from the money that comes in from Relay, and without that money, we couldn't even think about doing CPS3. But then on top of that, Relay is such a community project for everyone. Everybody in the community comes to Relays. The dollars that we get for research are a direct reflection of all of the donations that come in. And right now, we have fewer dollars. That means fewer scientists are getting funded. We can fund maybe a half to a third of the projects that our peer reviewers, the scientists who look at these grants and think about which ones are really great science. We're only able right now to fund maybe a third to a half of that really great science. And it's because of Relay that we can at least get that far. But if you can get more than your goals, the potential is maybe one more scientist can get funded that we couldn't have funded otherwise. And who knows, it could be that scientist who's that 45th Nobel Prize winner that's on our list. I think one of the things that really doesn't get said often enough is thank you to the team captains and the people who are willing to join in with the team captains and invest a huge amount of time and energy in this. It's hard to find the time to invest yourself in all of the things it takes to be a captain for one of these relay teams. It's not something that just, you spend, a couple of weeks before relay to do. It's a whole year really to be involved with this. And so those of us in the research department are aware of that, and we are incredibly grateful for people, for the volunteers and the staff who are willing to spend the time and energy to get these relay teams put together, especially the captains, because without the captains, the team just doesn't exist. Thank you folks very much. You have no idea exactly how much the research department is grateful to you.